Hey everybody, and welcome to another Cricut craft tutorial. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It is a completely free way to help support my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional bonus live video. In today's video, we are going to do a really easy and really inexpensive craft, and it's such a fun thing to do. We're going to make a frosted glass candle holder. I did a dog theme for mine, and you can absolutely do these with any kind of glass that you have. You can reuse old cups, you can reuse old jars from pasta, things like that, or you can just hit up the Dollar Tree and get these awesome pillar candle holders or any other glass candle holder that they have, and then add your vinyl to it and frost it. It's really a fun thing to do, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it so that your vinyl will apply, because you need to apply your vinyl first. These make really great memorial gifts as well, and the whole cost of this is probably under $2. So let's go over to Design Space. I'm going to show you how to load the little cute dog that we're going to use here. We will cut him out, we will apply him, and then I'm going to show you guys how to frost. We are going to use a really cute design from Design Bundles. It is a Wispy Willow design. I will link this design below, but I'm going to show you guys how you can install this. So we're going to start. We have downloaded our folder, so it is a zipped folder. It's called Dog Stars. Go ahead and open it until you find your SVG files. Click Extract All, and it's going to ask you where you would like to extract it to. I'm going to just extract it to the Animals folder. Click Select, and then click Extract. It's going to open up your folder where it was extracted, but you don't need these folders anymore, so you can get rid of them. Go to Upload, and you'll see I've already uploaded them over here, but don't worry, we'll just do it again. Click Upload Image, and then Browse. And you're going to find where you put him. So we put him in our Animals folder, and you are going to find the Dog Stars folder, and you want to use the Dog Stars SVG, which sometimes will show as an Internet Explorer document or a Chrome document. Go ahead and click that, and here is our cute little puppy. Go ahead and click Save, and he will load right here for you. Click Insert Images. Now, he's a little bit big for what we need. We can make him about 3.5 inches wide. So I'm going to go ahead and size him down a little bit. And he's good to go. All you have to do from here is just click Make It. We are going to cut him on the StarCraft holographic vinyl. It's really pretty gunmetal color, and the reason I'm using this vinyl is because it's going to give us a really cool finish when we put the frost spray on. So let's get our doggy cut out and applied. First thing we need to do is clean off our vase with some rubbing alcohol. I just use a coffee filter and rubbing alcohol, and we're just going to clean that off. I'm going to clean the inside just because I know it's dusty in there, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to. I just know that it's super dusty. So we're going to let this dry for a moment, and then we can apply our decal. We're going to use our handy dandy cup holder to apply our decal, and we just did this cute puppy dog. I kind of want him in just a little bit above the bottom, and then all I'm going to do is just lay him down. This is super easy to do. This little cup holder makes it so easy. I have linked this cup holder down below. I like this one versus the PVC ones that I see people make, just because I feel like it doesn't take up nearly as much space in my craft room, and it's super easy, and it fits just about every cup I have, or vase in this case. So then all you got to do is take off your, make sure you burnish it down real good, and remove your transfer tape. And I'm working kind of quick because I'm running out of time on my SD card here. But once you get this little dude all stuck down, I'm going to take him off the little cup holder for this part. There we go. Now he's stuck. We will go ahead and let this cure for a day or so. You don't really have to, but I'm going to just to be safe. I'm going to let this cure, and then we're going to spray this with a frost spray. But look how gorgeous this decal is. Isn't that so fun? This is one of my favorite vinyls by StarCraft. I think it's so pretty, so undervalued. It's so cute. And our little puppy is so cute. And it's going to look really cute frosted, and then you can put a candle inside. we are ready to spray with our frost spray. We're just using some Rust-Oleum frosted glass spray. And I just put this outside on top of a rock, and I put it upside down. That way none of the frost spray gets inside. You want to hold your can about 10 to 12 inches away from your item and move in a sweeping motion all around the glass. Now you're not going to see it frost right away. It does take a few minutes for the frost to show up, and you can do several coats. We did 3 coats on our glass here, and we are going to let those coats dry for about 1.5 to 3 minutes, depending, between coats. That way we can see how frosted it's going to be. You want to make sure that you get all the way down to the bottom of your vase. You'll see that our cup has frosted, and this is just coat 1, so we're going to add coat 2. When you add the second coat, you'll notice that the frost will disappear a little bit, but don't worry, it totally comes back. We're just going to do a quick third coat off camera, and then we'll be ready to see the final product. I let this dry for about 20 minutes before I touched it. This dries super quick, so it's really easy to use. I love how it came out, and it's a really, really easy thing to do. The reason, though, that you need to add your vinyl first is that the vinyl does not like to stick to the frost spray. All I've done was add a super cheap battery-powered little tea light candle inside, and it makes this really beautiful glow along our frosted glass. These really are super easy and super inexpensive to make. They would be great for wedding decor, memorial projects, great just in your home in general, and you can use them for all sorts of holidays by adding some vinyl to them and making them your own. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I hope you guys had so much fun, and happy crafting.